Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwalele 0. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve. Bafowethu iPirates iyadlala bafowethu. And thina sifuna ukukhomba abantu ukuthi thina as ama supporters ye Pirates. Ibehavior siyiphethe. Ibehavior siyiphethe. Lento yenza ka FNB bathi hayi nifunani siyaba welcome lapha abazela uSteve uzoba interview. Lento bayikhuluma le akusi football spirit lento bayikhuluma. Abantu beChiefs basikhomba kahle ukuthi ibhola bayazi. No. Bangayenzi lento ukuthi ma umuntu aye stadium ufunani stadium. Ufuna interviewer ini. Si analyze ibhola la. And ama fans wethu yenza ukuthi ibhola libe mnandi. So akekho umuntu owona lo show. And let's contribute kulabantu laba. Sinikele. Sinikele. Singazi nje because bafowethu asithandele ibhola siphinda si-understand bafowethu masiza lezobukela ibhola and iPirates sishile bafowethu sishile sithi iPirates inama-3 any player ingenayo siyayisupport iPirates they're playing a good football kuthi uziwine kanjani thina igame siwina second half sikhomba yini the coach is brilliant and they have got plans. They have got plans about the people who are on the bench. We are winning the game 90 minutes, no extra time. No matter kanjani, we are progressing to the next 8. We want to do history this season. The Carling Black Label, that's the only cup. This season we are going to take it. Thank you, Steve.